Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 3-Valve Wednesday, and today it's Magic Air. I'll tell you in a second what that means. But this stock engine 3-valve Mustang just laid down over 560 rural horsepower running our Paxton Novi 2200 Supercharger. We are going to go down and take a look, tell you how we got there. We're going to watch a dyno pull. Have it subscribe, notify us if today. Have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so here's what we have going. Like I said, 09 GT, it's a manual, 93 octane. Doug, come down here and take a look. Water all the mods. Pretty much every bolt-on, including Detroit rocker camshafts, Ford Racing manifold, BBK throttle body, set of long tubes. It's got our Novi 2200 turnkey supercharger package. You get 47-pound fuel injectors, a fuel pump upgrade, cooler spark plugs, proper tune. This is the same package that we mail order. You might have questions about it. I will put links to all these parts in the description, so you can read a lot more about it. But what's Magic Air? Well, you know when you take your car out on a hot day and maybe it feels a little slow, got that nice cool night, car feels faster. Well, this is Indiana, this is December, it's pretty cold outside. I bet the DA is literally like sea level or less, because you're not gonna typically make this kind of power, but it came out great. Check out this dyno pull. All right, sweet car, sweet numbers, DynoJet, SAE Smoothing 5, check it out. 561 roll horsepower, 6,700 RPM. Torque comes in where I love, 450, peaking at right about 6,400 RPM. Awesome numbers on pretty much every mod you can put on the stock engine. A lot of you may be new to the channel. As always, link at the end, little video, click on how much is too much on my stock 3-valve Mustang. But this car is pretty sweet. Got the Novi 2200, Ford Racing manifold throttle body, long tubes, and a set of Detroit rocker camshafts. Again, any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. We're in Indiana. You can email quote@brenspeed.com. Hey, what's it cost to get installed? Or we can ship these parts right to your door. Thanks for watching.